Today we are going to show you how easy it is to make delicious, scrumptious, tasty chocolate chip muffins. If you like chocolate chip cookies, you will absolutely love these chocolate chip muffins. Just a few ingredients, super fast and easy, and you don't even need a fancy mixer. A spoon will do the trick. And do you love these muffins, Juliet?
Yes.
Yes. When the kids have a sweet tooth, I'm like, oh, I'll just make chocolate chip muffins. They're really fast and easy. So we are gonna go for it. Chocolate chip muffins, coming right up. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees, which I have done. Soften 5 tablespoons of butter. If you don't have it soft, you can melt it in a saucepan or in the microwave, but the butter needs to be soft. So 5 tablespoons. All right. Okay, I know you want to put some stuff, so I'll put it back over here by you. Okay, and to that, you can add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Good. Okay, 2/3 cup of sugar. Try not to lean on that. Okay, 2/3 cup of sugar. I'll do this part. 1 egg. Okay, vanilla extract, a teaspoon. I'll hold that over the bowl. Okay. And sour cream. This is what makes them super moist. So 1 cup of sour cream, which would be half of this container. I'm gonna have you do the mixing in just a second, cutie. All right. Okay, so Juliet is gonna put some muscle into it, and she is gonna mix that until it's good and creamy, and then we will add everything else. Let me move this out of your way. So you wanna go this way, and you wanna go fast, okay? Go ahead. Atta girl. Good job, Juliet. Quite the mixer. Nice. Okay, now we can add our dry ingredients. So 3/4 teaspoon, that's 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder. And also 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, and 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Good job. Okay, mix away, kiddo. All right, Juliet did a great job mixing, but she's decided to leave. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the most important ingredient, chocolate chips, and we're gonna put 1 cup. And you can use chocolate chips, peanut chips, toffee chips, carob chips, just to change things up a little bit. You could even do, you know, fresh berries, maybe blueberries instead of chocolate, but I say go for the chocolate. And if you like them extra chocolatey, put a little more. Okay, so it's nice and smooth and creamy, looking great. So I have a muffin tin lined with the papers. Try to always use those papers. And you're just gonna take a heaping spoon, use your finger and slide it in. Okay? And typically I get more than a dozen. I don't make them overly huge, just a nice heaping spoon like this. So I'll fill the rest of these, and then you're gonna pop them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. I like the tops to get a little bit golden, so sometimes it's a little beyond 20 minutes. And these are a real treat. Okay. Ooh, yummy. So I'm gonna pop them in the oven and I'll be back. Okay, the muffins are done. I baked them a total of 25 minutes. A little bit golden on top. They look great. And I have enough batter for about 3 more muffins. So I got a total of 15. And they're warm and looking delicious. So hopefully you guys will make these for a nice sweet treat for your family or for yourself. Remember that all of my recipes are down below, and I encourage you to share with your friends and follow me on social media. And thank you so much for watching. Melty chocolate. Yummy yum. Looks good, right? Delicious. Try a bite. Oh. Ooh. Can you see the melted chocolate?